Deepika, now episode 6 in word power. Okay? Spiral, S-P-I-R-A-L, spiral means winding. Capped, C-A-P-P-E-D, capped. Put a lid or covered on. Abstraction, A-B-S-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, abstraction means dealing with ideas rather than with events. Rhetorically, R-H-E-T-O-R-I-C-A-L-L-Y, rhetorically means speech intended to impress or persuade. Categorically, C-A-T-E-G-O-R-I-C-A-L-L-Y, categorically means unambiguously explicit. Or direct. Retraction, R-E-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, retraction means taking your words back. Melodrama, M-E-L-O-D-R-A-M-E, melodrama means too much drama. Enchantment, E-N-C-H-A-N-T-M-E-N-T, enchantment means delight. Sorcery, enchantment means delight. Sorcery. Road up, R-O-D-E, road, U-P, up, road up, it is past tense. Mood of the body, mood of the body. Ride, road, ridden, that is the conjugation for ride. Reprimand, R-E-P-R-I-M-A-N-D, reprimand means rebuke. Invigorating, I-N-V-I-G-O-R-A-T-I-N-G, invigorating means strengthening. Subsume, S-U-B-S-U-M-E, subsume means fall off. Whimper, W-H-I-M-P-E-R, whimper means cry. Whimper means cry. Pout, P-O-U-T, pout, lip close. Disparate, D-I-S-P-A-R-A-T-E, disparate means different, not desperate, it is disparate. Back story, B-A-C-K, back, S-T-O-R-Y, story. Back story means background created for a fictional character. Indissolubly, indissolubly, I-N-D-I-S-S-O-L-U-B-L-Y, indissolubly means incapable of undone. Solitary, S-O-L-I-T-A-R-Y, solitary means lonely. Engendering, E-N-G-E-N-D-E-R-I-N-G, engendering means giving rise to. Causing, self-reliance, S-E-L-F, self-reliance, R-E-L-I-A-N-C-E, self-reliance means self-sufficiency. Self-delusion, S-E-L-F, self, D-E-L-S-U-I-O-N, delusion. Self-delusion means failure to recognize reality. Overtones, overtones. Overtones mean connotations. Gyrations, gyrations. Gyrations means rotations. Hack, hack, hack means chop. Fobbed off, fobbed, fobbed, off. Fobbed off means passed off to someone. Passed off to someone means that's called fobbed off. Fobbed. That is the conjugation for the word fob. Discern, discern. Discern means perceive. Yore, yore means far. Yore means past. Dorky, dorky. Dorky means unfashionable. Dorky means unfashionable. Friends, okay. Tab holder, tab, holder, holder. Tab holder means tab stand. Disapproval, disapproval. Disapproval means refusing approval. Overstating, overstating. Overstating means exaggerating. Exuberance, exuberance. Exuberance means enthusiasm. Prop person, prop, prop person, person, person. Prop person means a man in charge of state properties. A man in charge of state properties is called a prop person. Thugs, thugs. Thugs mean criminals. Thugs are criminals. We say a committee of thugs means all full of criminals. Ducking stool, ducking. Ducking stool, stool. Stool. Ducking stool means ducking stool is offenders punishing chair. Offenders punishing chair is called ducking stool. Jurisprudence, jurisprudence. Jurisprudence means theory of law. Screaming, screaming. Screaming means loud crying. Porches, porches. Porches mean shades. Fathom, fathom. Fathom. Fathom means comprehend. Purport, purport. Purport, appearing to be true. Adolescence, adolescence. Adolescence means youth after 10. People after 10 are called adolescents. You got adolescence means you are above 10 now. Adolescence means people after 10, youth after 10. Adolescence. Okay? Critic, critique. Critic means written piece. Eke out, eke out. Eke out means to make up for the deformities. to make up for the deficiencies is called akeout. Blatant, 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 done openly. Contrite book, CONTRITE, contrite book, BOOK, book. Contrite book means falter book. Falter book. Doorknob, DOORKNOB, doorknob means handle of the door is called doorknob. Picayune, PICAYUNE, picayune means little value. Montage, MONTAGE, montage. Montage means క్రమంగా జరిగే పరిణామం, that's called montage. Expository, EXPOSITORY, expository means explanatory. Protagonist, PROTAGONIST, protagonist means leading character. Otherwise, hero is a protagonist in a film, in a drama. Stifled, STIFFLED, stifled means feel restricted. Stifle, stifled, stifled. I feel stifled means I feel I am made restricted. I am restricted. It's called stifling. Turbulent, TURBULENT, turbulent means stormy. Countercultural, COUNTERCULTURAL, countercultural means opposing dominant values of society. Opposing dominant value of society is otherwise known as what? Countercultural. Sill, 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 windowsill. You have windowsill is there, no? That is sill, windowsill. Underscore, UNDERSCORE, underscore means stress the importance of. Blot, BLOT, blot. Blot means spot. What? Spot. Landscape, LANDSCAPE, landscape means scenery. Gracefully, GRACEFULLY, gracefully means attractively elegant. Jejune, JEJUNE, jejune means folly. Jejune folly means foolishness. Catastrophe, 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 catastrophe means disaster. Glue, GLUE, glue means gum. Shore up, SHORE, shore, UP up, shore up means support. Woods, 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 woods mean timber. Looping, 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 looping means winding. Pan around, PAN, pan, AROUND, around, pan around means చుట్టూ తిప్పటం. Hour, AVER, hour, agree. Hour means agree. Neurosis, NEUROSIS, neurosis means mental illness. Neurosis means mental illness. Per se, PER, per, SEC, per se means by itself. Inducement, INDUCEMENT, inducement means incentive. Extravagance, VAGANCE. Extravagance means luxury. Neurotic, NEUROTIC. Neurotic means person affected by neurosis. Rendition, RENDITION. Rendition means performance. Slack, SLACK. Slack means idle. Slack means idle.